We continue testing this Makita, this time in the freezer, -18 Celsius mode. A previous video was about the fridge, +5 Celsius mode. We continue to compare this, sorry guys, this Japanese with this Chinese one. Yeah, so you can see all the links in the description below about testing of this Chinese and fridge mode of this one. What are we testing? So, two main things that usually people are concerned about when they deal with the portable fridge is power consumption and temperature. So, our setup, again, iSocket with iSocket specific sensor, which is here. It allows us to collect a temperature profile over the time. We will see it here. Right now we see just the temperature, but there will be another feature I will show you later if you didn't follow previous video. And also energy consumption is collected on the iSocket, so we power this through the iSocket AC/DC adapter. Later we will do all other tests from the battery. Well, let's talk about it later. So, our main concern is the power consumption and the temperature. Let's just start it. Well, you have seen I said -18, and here what I did here with the energy meter, I reset it so that we can start from the new collecting interval, so 5 p.m. yeah. So, and actually I will here set, so this short period I don't need. Yeah, so here we have previous experiments, they are covered in previous video. And here I will set that we will save the information once, and we do it tomorrow, Monday, and where is the time? Time is here, so, oh, well, but okay, we do it like about when we started. Let's do it nice, yeah, 000. So, oh, sorry. Well, it wasn't so convenient with the left hand and on the phone, but I set this. So tomorrow in 5 p.m. we will see power consumption for keeping this at -18 from AC/DC adapter. That will be interesting information. We will compare with all other tests we had, and here we will start collecting temperature profile over the time. Yeah, well, here was it wasn't in use, but we will start. Okay, I will show you this later. Now let's take a look here. I'm a bit surprised that we have only 10 watts power consumption, so small. So I want to change this rise setting to say to 7 watt. Why I do want it, I will now explain you. So save, because we are monitoring the duty cycle of this fridge. So you can see it started, so we can see that it started in 1703 because consumption increased, yeah, so over the 10, but I'm a little bit concerned if it will be 9, yeah, so that's why I set to 7. And when it switch off, when the compressor stops, it will drop below 5, so we will see when it stops. So we will see how long it takes for compressor to operate, to start after initial cooling to -18. So we will see everything here. Now we see the temperature. Is it the first temperature? 19. Yeah. So let's just wait. Actually, when I refresh cache here, I can see 60, and I think I know why we have seen 10 here, because we had the setting for 10. So when the temperature, when the power consumption rises, we just catch this value, but the true value right now and soon after that was this one. In the previous video, in the fridge mode, we have seen some interesting algorithm of this Makita about how long compressor operates. I don't want to do it right here in the freezer mode, because I need to be here for an hour or two. So just watch the video there. Here we will continue later. And guys, we also will test it from these batteries, and then we will see how much charging we added to the battery, how much power it cost us from the mains to charge the battery. We will also power them from this battery, not this one, but another one, 100 amperes per hour. And again, we will see how much then later we added by the charger to the battery, and we will see our cost. So if you are subscribed, you will get notification about all these videos. If you are not yet, then consider to subscribe. Okay guys, exactly 1 day expired now, 5 p.m. 4 minutes next day, and I decided that I will show you over the computer the rest things. We will first now go to switch it off remotely. Yeah, I am a little bit lazy to go there to the garage. I will anyway go later. So I switch it off. Is it the right stuff? Yeah, so it's currently off, so that we will start monitoring temperature inside, how it rises. Yeah, but first we can check energy consumption. So it was collected because it was set to reset for this time, and we just go to the statistic and we see, so for 1 day in the freezer mode, -18, it consumed half kilowatts. Guys, it is a little bit beat the Chinese fridge, yeah, so it was 0.56, 0.51 at -20, okay, but it is 9 liters. Here 20 liters at -18, half kilowatts. So they are pretty the same in terms of power consumption from AC/DC adapter, from the same adapter, but this one has twice of volume. Yeah, so the temperature is 2 degrees less anyway. So here we can see, so it cost us to run at least at our price of electricity 6 cents, euro cents per day. So you can multiply 30, multiply 1 year, and know the annual consumption of this one from the AC/DC charger in the freezer mode. So that's it. We have all other things covered in previous videos, so watch there. Now we can actually look in the monitoring section of in the monitoring section we can currently at -12 here. Yeah, so we disabled duty cycle. Yeah, so how often it's on and off, and well, so it was actually off. The compressor stopped operating about 15 minutes ago. Yeah, but it was operating from that time to that time for about 15 minutes. Yeah, but it is out of duty for about what do we have, 50 minutes. So 50, yeah, you can see, yeah, the power consumption dropped. It means that compressor is off, and then it start here. So about 50 minutes between these intervals, and again it was operating for about 15 minutes. And again, let's see from here. Yeah, guys, it looks, I don't remember exactly, but to me it looks like similar to the fridge mode. About 50 minutes it rests, and no, actually in the fridge mode it wasn't operating that long, 50 minutes, 15 minutes after the rest. If I remember right, it was about 5 minutes, or 6. By the way, that is logical, yeah, also in terms of power consumption. But well, so we understand that about 50 minutes it doesn't use any power, then for about 15 minutes it uses power. So, okay, now finally we have to wait when the temperature drops. Well, okay, before the temperature drops, we can just review the profile. Yeah, we can, by the way, review the start of the operation. Yeah, well, yesterday, at that time, we started at about 20, and it dropped to minus, okay, we don't get minus 18, but about that value. Wow, in an hour, yeah, so 1 hour it took to reduce the temperature for 65 degrees difference, yeah, like that. 1 hour. Half hour it takes to cool till the fridge mode. It was in the previous video, but 1 hour till the freezer mode. And then this operation classical profile of the compressor fridge. So, and we can see from here with the minimum settings to minus 18, we have about 16, 17, the minimum, and the maximum about minus 11 or so. For example, if we want to get notification about a failure of this fridge, we should set the setting at about minus 9. Well, that is another story, totally another story. Here you can understand what will be the true temperature inside when you set it to the maximum or minus 18. Yeah, otherwise it's quite logical. What about the time, by the way? Wait a moment. So here minus 17, 20, 16, exactly 50 minutes. So guys, it's clear, 50 minutes it rests, yeah, from here to here. So yeah, and by the way, in 50 minutes it lost so minus 17, minus 17, minus 17, minus 11, I think here, so 6 degrees. So 1 degree Celsius per 10 minutes, we can say so, right? Yeah, right. Well, that's quite good parameters, really good, really well done. So yeah, and then it's operating 15 minutes, right? Let's take from here the most topest, 21.8, 21. It's difficult to catch the point. 24, 5, 8, something like 15 minutes. Yeah, let's wait how long it takes to go to the zero. Yeah. Well guys, I forgot about nice feature show for last 3 hours here, and then we have a better picture profile. I actually don't know where I have seen 50 minutes, because here, for example, from the lowest point, 14, 60, 36, to this point is 20 minutes. But guys, well, probably it didn't start here. Probably it stopped somewhere here, then cooled more, and then only start here. Well, that we need to compare time with the information we had there in the log of the power rise drop. But I don't want to do this. We actually trust the log there. So there was 50 minutes, and here I think is not the best way to look on the duty cycle of this profile. But anyway, you can see how nice it is, minus 17, and so it's quite repeatable. Well, actually, guys, we will go here and look at this time when it was switched off. I will now explain why. So 1647. Then we go to the temperature profile, temperature data loggers again, and here the nice feature to select for last 3 hours. And guys, look, now we find this 1647 here. Yes, so as I suggested, it's not that point when it switched off, but this one, then it cooled down more. And Makita knows that it will happen this way. So in their algorithm, they will switch off it earlier. And then look how long it took to get to 0. 1 hour. Yeah. So exactly 1 hour. So 1 hour it will keep cold. So 1 hour it took to drop from plus 20 to minus 16, yeah, 17, about 35 degrees difference. So longer than here, it means that it keep cold very well. So 1 hour it will keep before 0. So that's it. So let's prepare this for the next experiment. So if you are subscribed, you will get notification. If not, then please subscribe. So the next will be powering this from the DC battery that is just charged. Then we will check how much power we need to add to the battery after we power this from the battery. Well, if sounds too complicated, then you will see and understand later. So guys, yeah, please subscribe, like this video, and see you in the next experiment.